All right, so in this video, we want to look at equations with infinitely many solutions, also known as an identity equation. Now, let me explain something. An equation is said to have infinitely many solutions when any values you plug in into that equation will make the left-hand side of the equation to be equal to the right-hand side. That is, it will make the equation to be true. So for such equation, after solving the equation, the left-hand side of the equation will definitely be equal to the right-hand side of the equation. Example of such is equation whereby after solving it, you have the left-hand side to be equal to 0 and the right-hand side to be equal to 0, or 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So that is the reason behind this ABC, that I've written here to show. I just use variable to represent them. So now let's now look at this question. This question says solve 1 over 2 into bracket 8y minus 6 equal to 5y minus y plus 3. What we want to actually check is if this equation has infinitely many solutions, which makes it an identity equation. So now let's go straight to the solution. So we have solved this. So for us to solve it, thank God you guys must have you must have seen some of the example of algebraic equation. This is an equation in one variable, so let's solve it. So if I rewrite this, I can write it as 1 over 2 into bracket 1 over, can write it as what? 1 times 8y minus 6 will be what? 8y minus what? 6 over 2, because basically this denominator is over 1, right? Then is equal to what? 5y. Now you have to be very smart here. This minus here, there's an invisible 1 here. So we're going to be using this minus 1 to open this bracket. So that will be 5y, right? Minus 1 times y, that is minus y. Then minus 1 times 3, that is what? Minus what? 3. So everything here basically can be written as over 1. So that implies that we can actually cross multiply. So if we cross, multiply, what we are going to be having is what? 2 into bracket 5y minus y minus 3, right, is equal to what? 8y minus 6. So what is inside is 5y minus y, that is 4y minus 3. So we have 2 into bracket 4y minus 3 will be equal to what? 8y minus 6. So the next thing we need to do now is to open the bracket with this 2 times 4y. That is what? 8y. 2 times minus 3, that is minus 6. Is equal to what? 8y minus 6. So the next thing is we collect like what terms? But I don't think it is even necessary. 8y minus 6 is equal to what? 8y minus 6. So this review that it is what? It has infinitely, many solutions. So this makes it an identity, all right, because the left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. Now, so how can we now validate that is an identity equation? You can think of any number, but I won't use this to check. I will use the original equation to check. We can think of any number and we'll just substitute it here. Okay, somebody is suggesting that we should use was 6, Abby. Okay, I won't use 6. Let me use 2. So we have what? So if I plug in 2 into this equation, meaning that we take y to be 2. So we can have what? 1 over 2 into bracket 8y minus 6. Okay. So we have 1 over 2 into bracket 8y minus 6 will now be equal to, so let me, will be equal to 5y minus y plus 3. So we have 5y minus what? Y plus 3. So when I say when y is equal to what? 2, we want to confirm if the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have 1 over 2 into bracket 8 into bracket 2 minus 6, right, is equal to what? 5 into bracket 2, right, minus into bracket 2 plus what? 3. So this one will now be what? 8 into bracket 2 minus 6 over 2 will now be equal to what? 5 times 2, that is 10, minus what? 5. Okay, so at the end of it we have what? 8 times 2, 16. 16 minus 6, That is 16 minus 6 over 2. Let's go to what? 10 minus 5. 16 minus 6, that's 10 over 2. Let's go to 10 minus 5, that is 5. So you can see that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So you can think of any other number and plug it in. It will still give you the kind of result you are looking for. So this is the concept of what infinitely many solutions is all about. And an equation with infinitely many solution is also known as an identity equation. I want to believe this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of videos and few subscribers, and that is not encouraging. See you in the next video. Thank you.